Hey, want to share your Nintendo Switch game progress with a friend? This is needed when playing the same game on multiple consoles or helping a friend continue your progress. I'll show you step by step how to transfer your game saves safely. Step 1. Prepare both consoles. Make sure both consoles are powered on and connected to the internet. Sign in with your Nintendo account on your console. Now remember that both you and your friend need to log in with the same Nintendo account for this to work. After both consoles are signed in with the same account, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Go to System Settings. On the source console, go to System Settings. Now scroll down to Data Management. On the right side, now find Transfer Your Saved Data option. Open it. Choose Send Saved Data to another console. Now select your user. After that, choose the game save data you want to share. Once you have selected them, hit Next. Next, hit Confirm. Step 3. Ready the friend's system. Get your friend's console at hand where you want to send the saved data. Make sure it has the same Nintendo account as the source console. Otherwise, the method will not work. Now scroll down to Data Management. Just like before, open Transfer Your Saved Data option. From here, select Receive Saved Data. If you get any prompts to select your user, select the same one you have on your source console. After that, wait for the transfer to complete. It can take a while depending on your internet connection. Once finished, the friend's console will have the same game saves and associated settings. And that's it. Using the same Nintendo account, you can safely transfer game progress to a friend's Switch. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips, and comment which game you're sharing first. And I'll see you in the next video.